Hi. So I've been waiting for this. I ordered it, I believe, Monday, and it's already here. No, I ordered it last Friday, and it's already here. It's still, that's amazing to me. This is my Evolve box, and I'm going to open it with you. I'm sure you've seen other unboxings, but I'm going to go ahead and do this one because this is my journal for this course. So it comes with some wrappings, and it's heavy. It is heavy. Excuse me. So the first thing I see is this, but I'm going to save that for a minute. This is the eyedropper, and a lot of the students say that to put the linseed oil or the clove oil in your paints, this is perfect. It gives you just the right amount. So that was really a nice, it's marked 0.25 milliliter, 0.5 milliliter, 0.75, and then 1. I'm going to open this because this is calling to me. If you want to learn how to oil paint, this is a really, I did a lot of research on this, and I am so impressed with what I read. This is Old Holland linseed oil, bleached. This is what you will mix with the oil paints to make them spreadable and not, I don't remember what they call it, antipasto, but whatever. It thins it out enough so that you can paint with it. So that's our linseed oil. I'm going to move this, okay? And then I can just kind of pull things out and show you. So then we have a palette knife. Oh, that's very pretty. I like that one. I have some plastic ones, and I did watch a lot of movies already that told me not to use a plastic one because the plastic ones will break, and I will attest to that. Yes, they do break. So this is a really nice, oh, it's flat on here, it's easy to hold. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay. And then, of course, we have the ruler that they use. I have a hot thing that puts plastic, I don't remember what it's called, but it puts plastic on each side, so I may go ahead and do that to this before I start using it so that it stays nice and new and neat. And of course we have, oh, lots of paintbrushes. Oh, look at those beauties. I do have lots of paintbrushes from when I was trying out acrylics, but these are Old Holland Evolve F Synthetic. These things are made specifically for the Evolve course, for the Evolve College. It's not a college, it's a course. It's an art school. So I'm really excited about having some nice brushes. And then here are the paints. They come in a nice box. Wow. And I kind of like that because if something had happened in transit to damage it, this would have protected it. So we have 4 of the gray scales. We have the Shadow Gris, and it's the extreme gray shadow. We have the Shadow Gris Matig, gray shadow, moderate. And we have the Light Gris Matig, gray light, moderate. And we have the Light Gris Extreme, gray light, extreme. So those are the oil paints that we'll be using for this trip, this journey. Wow, that's really kind of nice. I like that. And then, of course, we have a lot of paperwork. The rest of it is pretty much paperwork, and I'm going to open these and show you. It was $2,000 to start, well, $2,500 to start, and I'm making monthly payments, which I'm pretty happy about that. These are the pictures that we will be using as references to paint, to learn how to distinguish value, shadows, the cast shadows, and some of these I think have, yeah, form shadows. So that's that. And then the next set is the instructions, and I'm not going to be bad about their copyright. I'm going to leave those where they are. There's quite a few of them. There's probably, I don't know, 10 more. And then we have our canvas pad, Frederick's canvas pads. These are a 9x12 canvas pad, and I have used canvas pads before and I really like them. I had started out using construction paper to practice my acrylics, and it just soaked up the paint so much. So when I got canvas pads, they mimic canvas, and so they're a little bit nicer to you for your oils, well, whatever you paint. And then we have carbon papers, and they say these carbon papers are to last us through the entire program, which is 2 series. I'm doing the foundation series, and then there's an advanced series. But there are quite a few canvas carbon papers. So then the next thing that we have, excuse me, is I have waited all day for this. It was originally supposed to be here Friday, this coming Friday, and I got up this morning and the email said it would be delivered today, and I have been waiting all day for it. So these are also some grayscale pictures that we will be learning how to draw, as well as paint, as well as figure out the shadows and light. My daughter is an artist, and she will love that I'm doing this. And then the last thing that is in, 2 things in my box. I have a knitting needle, and it is bamboo. I do have some metal ones that I may replace this with if it breaks. But then the last thing in there are the disposable paper palettes, and I've done quite a bit of research into palettes because oil paint takes a while to dry, but if you are a slow painter like I can imagine I'm going to be, it can take a while before you're ready to paint the next section, and your paints might have dried, which you don't want with oil painting. So I am going to order one thing that some of the students have suggested. It's a plastic with the foam pad that you can wet and then put your paints on top and then close it. You can put it in the freezer, you can put it in the refrigerator, but it keeps your paints from drying out as fast. And again, oil can take a little while to dry from what I've been seeing on their videos, but it can also dry faster than you want it to. If you're going to take several days to paint something, it can get dry before you're ready to finish. Now this is very nice. And it has a sheen on it, like a plastic coating. That is really nice, disposable. So let me open this and kind of show you. Some of you probably know what a paper pad or a canvas pad sheet is, but it's just like canvas. It's like the stretched canvases that we use, and it's got a grain to it, and this is very nice. I'm so excited to start, but I wanted to share with you my unboxing. If you're interested, you can go to evolve.com and sign up or watch some of their free videos to see if this would be right for you, and hopefully you would join and enjoy it. I'm looking forward to doing oil painting. I have not ever done oil, and this will be a nice start for me. Now this is going to be my journal for the oil paint, the Evolve. I'm going to start, there are 2 blocks in this kit, and I am going to start tomorrow. So I hope to see you join me, and I will talk to you again. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.